Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna make a quick review about this product from L'Oreal Elvive Dream Long 8 Seconds Wonder Water Lamellar Conditioner. This one is kind of a treatment you use in the shower. After you finish you washing your hair with the shampoo and conditioner. Actually, you can use this with the conditioner as well, or you can use it only on your hair just directly. It's really amazing one. It really makes your hair very smooth, very silky, and smells really good, and actually helps to correct the damage that you have on your hair. I use this one like every once in a while. I don't use it every single time I wash my hair. I use it in kind of a sessions, like two following session, like I wash my hair today and after 3-4 days I use it again. So from 2 to 3 times in a row to make it work. And actually my hair stays so flawless, glowy, shiny, healthy, and really helps with the frizziness. Especially we are in summer right now, my hair goes crazy with the humidity that we have here, and I know every girl suffers from humidity. You know how your hair turns out like very crazy. This one really helps to make your hair very beautiful and looks healthy, and really helps to make the end, especially the end of your hair, very healthy. So this one works really good. I really love it so much, and this one is empty right now. I need to replace it, and I have it from a really long time. Actually, I can say like maybe 6 or 7 months, I guess, because I don't use it every single time I say it. I use it like twice or 3 times, and I just can stay like for a month or a month and a half not using it. I use it when I feel like my hair really needs a really deep treatment. This one works really well, really love it, and I'm gonna replace it because I really love it. So yeah, this is for this review. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!